Hi guys, Sarmila here, and today I am talking about how to solve the third layer. So third layer has 4 pattern and I am telling only one pattern. So here I have that information, so you can take the screenshot. This is only one pattern according the situation. So if you have, suppose you see, if you can see that I have that, if you have only one dot in middle using the same pattern, and after that is going to like that, I have that L. Did you see that L here? So that's that one. So hold the cube like that and using the same pattern. Then after using this pattern, it's going to like straight line. It's here, straight line. And then again using same pattern, then going to cross. So take that screenshot. Only this is only one pattern, so you can take any one. So this is for information. You can see how the position of the cube. So take it the screenshot, and after that I will tell you how to do this one. So see, I have already, if I have this only one dot here, then same pattern, but right now I have that L. So if you have that L, so hold cube like that in front of you. This is important because of, if you that depend how to hold the cube. If you using the how I tell you how to hold the cube, that is going to exact that I have that information. You use that pattern, it's easily done. But depend if sometime you holding different way and then using, then it's work, but it's you are using the same pattern, I think 5-6 times. So here I have, so I am using 1 2 3 4 5 6. See, now this is the straight line. So when this straight line came, hold the cube, that line is going to in front of you, so always hold this. So same pattern, 1 2 3 4 5 6. It's coming cross. So this is cross. So I am just telling one pattern. Third layer has a 4 pattern. So this is right now I am just telling one. So do only one. Do practice this one. So right now, or basically is after right now I just telling you how to make cross. After that all side cross. But it's depend up to how they mix the cube. Sometimes that all pattern automatically done. So right now I did only cross, but my all side cross already done. But for that all side cross, that different pattern, but I will tell my next video. So right now you just do that cross one. So guys, if you like my video, please like and share, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. And when you going to learn the cube, so only watch one video, anyone you like, you feel more comfortable. Sometimes it's happen you like someone video and you can enjoy that video. Only using one video. Cube has one things happen, that if you start watching different video, you almost give up and you are not trying to do. So watch only one video, and if you like, so please like and share my video. Bye, see you in my next video.